Yeah, good morning guys, welcome back to my channel. Yeah, I just took this trade on GU. Yeah, so though I entered very late, I'm supposed to have entered here when this candle closed here. So but I did not trust this GU sell, so I said okay, let me wait for more confirmation. Yeah, so price is moving very well, but let's see what happens. Let's see what happens. My target on this trade will be 3R or 4R, depends. Let's just see how price moves. Understand? So for EU, I actually wanted to take this trade, but I chickened out. I was scared of the trade, so now, but look at this. This is painful, but it is what it is. You can't win all the trades. You can't get in on all the trades. So I missed this trade. But this thing is not looking nice at all. It's not looking nice. It's very close to my stop loss region. So meanwhile, guys, Alpha Capital just paid me out. I feel so happy. I won't lie. As you can see, this is my balance. This is $83 actually. Alpha Capital paid only $82. I had $1 in my balance. Yeah, as you can see, this is my Rise platform. Yeah, guys, I'm happy because I mean, you know, this is what I've been praying for. Though the figure is small, as you can see, the figure is small, but it means something to me. You understand? So I'm very, very happy. I won't lie to you guys. I won't lie. I mean, it took me years of hard work, years of depression, years of tears, years of pains. I mean, to get to this level, you know. So I know this is just the beginning of bigger withdrawals, bigger milestones to hit. Yeah, I've gotten the account back, so hopefully I can make another profit and withdraw again. That would be wonderful. Yeah, so I just placed the withdrawal to my crypto wallet. So as you can see, it's successful. Yo guys, good morning. I just entered this USD card buys. Let's see what happens. The market is a bit confusing, but price is bullish. Yeah, price is bullish. So let's see if this trade will hit TP for us today. So mind you guys, I'm down my minus 2%. No, almost minus 2% of my challenge account, my phase 2 account. So yeah, let's see if this trade will recover our drawdown and put us up in profit at least. Yeah. So and I took this trade on my funded account. So let's see what happens. I'm going to update you guys on this trade. So on my funded account, as you can see, the spread is very high. It's very large. So I used 7 pips stop loss. 7 pips stop loss on this one. And then on my, let's see, on my phase 2, I used 6 pips stop loss, and my risk is 1%. Yeah, so let's see what happens. On the phase 2, my target is 4R, and then on the the funded account, my target is 3R. So this is what price is looking like. Price moved almost 1.5 risk to reward ratio. Now it's rejecting this one. Now if price can just close above here, or not just close, but if price can just break above this zone, I would move my trade to break even. It looks like there's a strong resistance around here. Yeah, so mind you guys, I reduced my trade to 3R. Even on the phase 2 account, I reduced my trade to 3R. So I'm not going to shoot for the moon today. Today is card CPI, so I don't know if market would actually even give me the 3R that I'm targeting now. So let's see what happens. So as you can see, price is about to break this zone, and I don't think I have to wait for it to break it first for me to move my trade to break even. So I'm going to do that right now. So this is my 5% as phase 2. Oh, price just broke that zone, so I'm moving my trade to break even. And then this is my alpha. So the alpha is a bit far above because my stop loss is like 7 pips. And yeah, this is the take profit. Now if this trade hits TP on my alpha capital, now I would wait for another payout. So let me move to break even. Yeah, so guys, I won't lie to you, I'm tempted to move my my TP on my phase 2 back to the original 4R that I was targeting, back, because I mean, look at this momentum. And if you know that if price is bullish, price is going to create a new high, and if price is going to create a new high, it's going to break above this zone. So I'm tempted, but I don't know. Don't you think it's greed, guys? But if you check the, let me go to trading view. See, if this region is where my target, that is the 3 arrow for the funded account, is. Now this is the same region that will give me 4R on my phase 2 account. So price came very close to take profit region, and now price is rejecting that zone. So I don't know. So I'm floating 2% in profit, 2%. I just need a little push for this trade to hit TP. Now this is my phase 2. Let's go to the, yeah, this is my funded. See, so I'm tempted. I don't know if maybe price hits 2R, I will be up maybe $100. I feel like I should just close the trade. I just withdraw that money. But that's 2%. I mean, if this was a 50K account, that would be $1,000, bro. $1,000. Maybe I might just close this trade at 2R and then just secure that profit, since there's no news that will affect my payout so far. So let's see what happens. Yeah, guys, so I've closed this trade. Now, see, price has been struggling around this zone. It's almost 2 hours now. Price has been here playing around this zone. So I don't know, maybe this zone might just push price to the downside. Now if you go on the 4 hours time frame, you see that price has been struggling around this zone for days. I said no, I cannot, I don't want to risk it. For one, I was down 2% on my phase 2, and also, you know, we have on 5%ers, we have these 3 minimum profitable days. So I just said, let me recover my drawdown, you know, and at least make some profit. So I'm up 0.5% on that phase 2 now. And then on my funded account, let me even open this. As you can see, this is my phase 2 account. You can see I'm up 0.5, let's say 0.5%. And then this is my funded account. As you can see, I'm up 2%. So I will just withdraw this money. I'm not going to trade this account again until I will make a withdrawal. Yeah, good morning, guys. I just took this trade on USD card. Yeah, as you can see, price is bullish. As you can see, price has been creating a series of higher highs and higher lows to the upside. So I went on the 15 minutes time frame. Sorry, guys. So price came to this region here, this, yeah, resistance, and price used it as a support. Now it looks like price wants to go to the upside. I went on the 5 minutes time frame, and then I saw my confirmation. So let's just hope that this trade plays out. I've executed, so the only thing that we have to do right now is just to wait. We can't control the market, so let's see what happens. I just entered this trade on Euro USD. As you can see, this is what price looks like right now. So after taking that loss, I saw this opportunity. On Euro USD. I waited for price to break to the upside, as you can see here. Then I waited for price to come back to retest it, and now price retested it. And then I went on the 3 minutes time frame to see if I can get my confirmation. Yes, I did get my confirmation, but I don't know. This is my last trade for the day. If this trade loses, then I'll be done for the day. I don't know what market is looking like right now. Yeah. So it's not even looking nice, to be honest with you. It's not even looking nice. It's not even looking nice. I just hope that this trade just works out, seriously. Man, this stupid trade gave me a loss.
He needs some milk.
After giving me a loss, now it's reversing. Can you imagine this? See, I'm going to enter this trade again. If price breaks above this region, I'll enter again. So I just assume that maybe price just went to sweep liquidity. So I just entered another trade. You know, so this is EU, the buys. So I felt price just swept me out that time, and the last trade that I took, price just swept me out. So look at this engulfing 15 minutes candle. I believe that price should go to the upside, but anyways, I just broke my rule, guys. I broke my rule, my trade plan. I usually take 2 losses in a day and then just call it a day, but now this is the 3rd trade for the day. So this is me breaking my rules. Now, if this trade should lose, it's going to hurt more. It's going to hurt more. Why? Because I broke my rule, right? So guys, have you noticed that whenever you break your rule and you take a loss, it's going to hurt more than when you take a normal loss that fits your trading plan? Have you noticed that, guys? So I'm just hoping that this trade doesn't give me a loss, seriously. Anyways, I'm going to be managing this trade aggressively. That is, if price can just break that high, I'm moving my trade to break even, because I'm not ready to take any other loss. Yeah, so it's moving nicely anyway. Price is moving nicely. So if this trade hits TP, I'm going to recover my drawdown, my 2% there, and then I'll be up 1% for the day, because my target on this trade is just 3 hours, $150. Yeah, so let's see what happens. Guys, I just moved my trade to break even. As you can see, price is moving with all the momentum in the world. I don't know, there's no news today, but I don't understand. Price is about to hit TP, guys. Why this momentum though? Why this momentum? Price is almost there. Please don't reverse on me now. Don't reverse on me now. What? Let's go. Go to the upside. Hit that TP for me. Let's go. Come on. Bam. Go for me. Hit that thing. Hit that thing for me. Bam. Yeah, guys, I just entered this trade on Euro USD. So we're floating in drawdown. So let's see what happens. If this trade can just hit TP for us, my target will be 4 hours. However, I'm going to be trailing my stop loss today because I'm supposed to target at least 3 hours though. Yeah, but I want to target 4 hours, so maybe this trade can just pass our phase 2 for us. So guys, this is what the trade looks like. I don't really like the way price is moving, seriously. Price has been struggling around this zone for too long. I mean, since I entered this trade, it's been like, I think 45, maybe let's say almost 1 hour. 1 hour and price is still here. No, for some reasons, I feel like I should just close this trade because, I mean, I did not even plan to take any trades today. But this setup was too clean to ignore, so that's why I entered. So, I don't like, maybe I should just cut my loss short. Or what do you think? Because I don't really imagine. Maybe I should just cut it short. Hi guys, we've come to the end of this episode. This week I took 6 trades. Yeah, 6 trades. 4 losses and 2 wins. It's been a rough week anyways. So even though the market was tough, I'm able to make profit and now I'm waiting for a payout. So this week I ended the week with, I think, break even. No, maybe 0.5% in profit, because I started this week with I think 0.5% drawdown, and now my account is at break even, right? In fact, I'm $9 up. The week was actually rough, but we give God thanks. Actually give God thanks because I'm able to make profit on my funded account, and now I'm waiting for a payout. Now I think next week Thursday is when I'm going to request for the payout. So even though we took a lot of losses, we're still up in profit, right? And then this week, I think I broke my rule once. I broke my rule once because I'm supposed to take just 2 trades max daily, but I took 3 trades. So that's me breaking my rules. I cannot kill myself because I'm a human, right? Yeah. So if you're experiencing this, sometimes we know we are humans. Sometimes we make mistakes. Sometimes we break our rules, but we just try as much as possible to always follow our rules to the T. Yeah. Meanwhile, I'm going to post my P&L for the week here. Yeah. So that's it. So, but meanwhile, before we go, there's something I really need to talk about. I really need to talk about this. We need to step away from the chart. We need to step away from trading. We need to step away from everything, and let's just talk about this. Gratitude. Guys, gratitude. This is very, very important in our lives, bro. It's very, very important that we are grateful for everything. So guys, as traders, sometimes it's easy to get caught up in chasing profits. It's easy to be stressed about losses or comparing ourselves to others. But gratitude shifts our perspective. So instead of focusing on only what we don't have, we learn to appreciate things that we have. We learn to appreciate how far we've come. We learn to appreciate our health. We learn to appreciate our family. We learn to appreciate little things. So something happened yesterday. So after taking 3 trades, I think I went online and I saw somebody that was making money from trading. And I think she's just been trading for just 3 years. And then I started complaining. Of my tiny profits or tiny withdrawals I've been making from pro firms. And then I thought about years ago where I was taking losses back to back. See, gratitude keep you in check. Gratitude helps your mindset. I won't lie to you guys. So it's something that we need to work on. Now, I forgot about the years that I was taking losses back to back. Now, 2022, 2023, I was taking losses every day. Anytime I go on the chart, I take a loss. 3 losses a day. I was taking losses every day. I only take 1 win at the end of the month. 1 win at the end of the month. I was taking losses back to back for straight 7 months. So that means in 7 months, I only won 7 times. I only won a trade 7 times. Now, how did I know this? Because that time, we had this monthly challenge, or these monthly evaluations where you have 30 days to pass your challenge. It's literally 26 days because weekends are inclusive. So, I'll go on the chart, I'll take losses. Then towards the end of the month, when I had maybe 2 to 3% left to blow the account, I will just risk the balance, maybe 3%. Enter a trade, that trade will just win and recover my drawdown. We recover my drawdown and bring the account back to break even. And now, if the month ends and you're in break even, they're going to give you a fresh account. I don't know if you guys remember that era. You understand? So I was taking losses back to back. I did not blow any challenge for 7 months. I had like 3 challenges. I did not blow anyone for 7 months. I was just taking losses because my risk was actually low. I was risking 0.5 to 0.25. So that was why I was able to maybe not blow the challenge before the month would end. But it was stressful. I could not even pass the challenge. But here I am, making profits, being funded. Now, so guys, we need to work on this thing. This is going to help us. It's going to be beneficial because, just be thankful that, for one, you're trading. Even if you're not getting it yet, but you're trading. And this skill is going to change your life. It can change the life of your family, the lives of your family. Bro, there was a time, guys, that I broke my television, my 55 inches TV. I broke it. I broke my phone because of losses. I'm going to post the screenshots here. I broke my phone, I broke my TV because of losses. But here I am, complaining, comparing myself to others on social media, comparing myself to So guys, if this is you, guys, you're not alone. I'm in this with you guys too. You understand? And we're still growing. I'm still growing. So guys, take a moment. and pause. Just list 3 things that you're grateful for. I, for one, am grateful for the fact that I did not give up. God gave me grace not to give up on trading. I'm grateful for the fact that I'm healthy. I have my family and we have good health. This is not just all about trading. Gratitude will make you not just a better trader, but also a better person in life. You understand? So let's practice gratitude. For me, personally, I'm working on it. If you're liking my content, like I told you guys, I'm going to be real. I'm going to be raw. This is what I'm going through. You understand, guys? So I'm going to be raw. If you're liking my content, guys, please subscribe to help this channel. You understand? So that people can see this, so that they know that they are not alone. This is raw. I don't script anything here, guys. I don't script anything. This is me talking to you guys, heart to heart. All right? So if you like my content, please like, share, subscribe.